Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's balloon popping. Hey Brian, what you gonna do?
I will pop away till it pops.
Get ready for the poppings. I gotta move. Oh my goodness. It's never gonna pop! Never! Oh! Woo! That one gave me a heart attack. I didn't think it was ever gonna pop. Oh. Look at that.
It's a red one.
Brian wants the red one. Why are you doing the red one?
You put it.
Yep, I'll put it on. Why did you pick red?
Because it would be mixed purple and red.
Okay. Holy moly, I hope that's quieter than last one. That one wasn't so bad. Smaller. These balloons stink.
It got so blue.
Oh, Brian, I got a surprise for you. It's this blue balloon. It's the same color as blueberries.
Put it in.
I will put it on like so. Rock and roll. That one was crazy.
Here comes a pink balloon.
Brian wants the pink balloon. Oh, this one's tricky. It doesn't have a lip on the
Can you try it?
Yep, I'll try it. This reminds me of bubble gum. Same color as bubble gum. All right. Brian will now rock the bubblegum colored balloon. Are you ready to rock, Bri?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's rock this baby. Woo! Hey, Brian, you know what I think?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Comes a white balloon.
Oh, boy. Here comes the white one. Look how big this is. Dude, this is going to be loud.
Ah, yeah.
All right. Your arm is going to get tired. I told you that was going to be big. Wouldn't it be funny if it was filled with ketchup? Oh boy! Woohoo! Wow.
Here comes a yellow balloon.
Here comes the final balloon, the yellow balloon. All right. Hey, why'd you save yellow for last?
Because you'll be yellow.
Okay, because it'll be yellow. All right, there you go. There it goes. Oh, man. It's going to pop at you. Whoa! Did you see that one? It exploded back at you. Oh, that was hilarious.
Hey, Steve, look at this mess.
All right, folks, take a look at this mess here. All right, it's even on the counter. Yowzers! Hey, you did it. Hey, Bryan, you got any advice for the people at home?
All right. Hey, Steve.
Hey, what?
All right. Hey, Steve, we got a surprise over here.
You got a surprise for me?
Yeah.
Here he goes. I wonder what he's going to get. Hello? He's searching. He's looking. Hey, are you bringing me a birthday cake? I think he's bringing me a birthday cake. Hey, that's not a birthday cake.
That's a vacuum cleaner.
Oh yeah, baby. All right, here comes the vacuuming.
Yep.
Okay. All right, I'll put this baby right here. And first things first, well, I'm also going to want the broom. So I think most of this will be able to sweep up. Did you see a broom in here? Here we go.
Hey, Steve, I just found a book in our room. I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a plug like that.
Ah, Okay, cool. That's the one I will use then. All right. Well, here, you get this and I'll start plugging it in. Alrighty. Okie doke then.
Here he goes.
Here we go. Works all right. That's how you do it, folks. Pop balloons, vacuum up, wear ear protection and eye protection. Any other advice?
Yep.
Oh yeah, always wear a glove.
Yep.
Yep.
And sunglasses.
And sunglasses to protect your eyes.
Some gloves and the earplugs.
Yep, they'll keep you safe.
Yep.
All right, until next time, so long everyone at home.